Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my monthly Empties video. I have been really loving doing these monthly empty videos to show you the products that I used up throughout the month that are usually beauty, self-care. I actually have a cleaning product this month that I love that I really want to talk about. This is a great way for me to talk about skincare and hair care and products that I don't usually talk about on my channel since it's mostly makeup based, but I love hair care and skincare and I use a lot of products. So this is a great way to show you some of my favorite products and give you my real developed thoughts on these products because I've used them all up. To start out, I'll start with the cleaning product. So this is from Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, and this is the multi-surface everyday cleaner. And I love this because it's in the honeysuckle scent, but I've heard that there are so many great scents from this Mrs. Meyer's brand that I really want to try out. But I completely use this up and I just use this to clean like my kitchen counters, places like that. I love the smell of it, that's a big thing, but it's also made without bad ingredients like parabens, phthalates, glycol solvents, formaldehyde, artificial colors. So it's natural essential oils, birch bark extract, plant-derived ingredients. So it's a less harsh cleaning product, which I really like. I actually bought a 3-pack of these because I love it that much and it smells so good. Another big product that I used up. This is the Formulate personalized shampoo. I've talked about these Formulate hair products a lot on my channel. I use the shampoo, I use the conditioner, and I love the brand Formulate for my shampoos and conditioners because they're customized. You can choose the scent, you can choose the quality that you want your shampoo to have. So I've really liked this. I've used it for the past 2 years probably because I had like 3 bottles of this that I've gone through. Another favorite that I may have already shown on this channel before because I repurchase this all the time and go through it very often. It's the Schmidt's Rose and Vanilla Natural Deodorant. So this is aluminum free. And I've been using aluminum-free deodorants for years now, but once this used up, I switched to a different deodorant that I had. Even the Secret brand aluminum-free deodorant was one that I was using recently, and just there are no other natural aluminum-free deodorants that I've tried that actually prevent odorizing, that are actually deodorants like Schmidt's. And Schmidt's actually keeps me not smelling bad or sweating all day long, but those other deodorants that I was using since I used this up, it was basically like I was wearing no deodorant. It was not cute, but that's okay. I'm just still never gonna put regular deodorant on me, regular meaning deodorant that has aluminum, ever again since I know how bad it is. And thankfully, I have found Schmidt's that actually works well for me, and I've heard it works well for so many people. So if you're wanting to switch to aluminum-free natural deodorant, definitely check out Schmidt's. You can get it all over. You can get it at Target. I get mine on Amazon. So it's also very affordable. Gosh, I have so many favorites that I used up this month that I can talk about. Another one is Babe Lash. Look at this beautiful packaging. This is my Miracle Lash Growth Serum that I have been using for years. It has this little brush, and at night, after I've taken my makeup off, I just brush it along the lash line, like this. And I have seen extreme growth in my lashes. And everyone that I've recommended this to has also seen extreme results from it. So I highly recommend. I'm so excited because I got this in BoxyCharm this month and it is a all-time favorite product for me. I also used up my little Awake Lip Therapy lip mask. This is a product that I think I got in Ipsy not too long ago. I have a full dedicated review video on it that I can have linked down below if you want to see it. But this got me started using a lip mask every night, and it's just super hydrating on my lips. I love how long it lasts compared to other lip glosses or lip balms. So I'll even use this product or other lip masks as my daily lip gloss if I just want it to last really long. So this was really nice, just a little sample. Another favorite that I used up, this is the Mastori Brow Pencil. This is such, completely gone obviously, it's in my empties. Such an amazing brow pencil, so affordable, and it's from Amazon. I've talked about this on my channel a lot, but I also have a full dedicated review video on this that I'll have linked down below if you want more information on it. But it just gave me my ideal perfect brows, and I love filling in my brows. I'm very picky and I absolutely love this. I had never heard of it before, and I've never heard anyone else talking about it, but it deserves all of the hype. And now here's a product that I used up that I wasn't crazy about just because I don't think it did anything. This is the Evolue Super Oil. Here's what that looks like. I got it in Ipsy, but to purchase this, it's very expensive. And I don't know why. I have used this up completely. It also comes like half full, which is kind of deceiving. I did not like the smell of it, and I just feel like it didn't make any difference in my skin, even though it's supposed to have all these super oils. I don't know. I completely used it up because I wanted to see if it would really work, and after using it up, I wouldn't recommend it still. And then here's a hair product that I used up. This is from Redken. It's the Frizz Dismiss Smooth Force Lightweight Smoothing Lotion Spray. So here is what this looks like. And I really like the smell of this, and it is good on frizz. I apply this as a leave-in conditioner after washing my hair and combing it through so that my hair can dry, not crazy frizzy, and this really does help to manage the frizz and just kind of give my hair more of like a sleek look. But it wasn't so amazing that I'm gonna repurchase it or get the full size, but it was good enough that I completely used it up. And then this is an awesome product. This is from Tend Skin, the Tend Skin Solution, Ingrown Hairs, Razor Bumps, Shaving and Waxing. So my skin is very sensitive, especially when shaving, and this is the only product I've ever tried that actually prevents razor bumps. I got this in an influencer box a long time ago, and this lasted me so long, just this little one here, and I would pretty much apply it every single day. And I know this is kind of pricey because I did just repurchase it on Amazon. It's probably around $15, I'd say, but this seriously lasts like a year. So I'm really happy with this. If you are someone that also gets razor bumps, you've probably already heard about this, but if you haven't, I would really recommend it. Here is what that looks like, in case you wanted to check it out. And then I have a couple sheet masks that I used. I used the Avete Daily Fresh Squeeze. This was fine. It was like a hydrating, watery green grape. Yeah, this did smell nice, and I felt like it was soothing for my skin. And then the Feel Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask. Powerful detoxifier and pore minimizer. This one, I didn't really see any amazing differences from it, but I also found this to be hydrating. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and so it did kind of refresh my skin. And then I used the Foxy Bay Replenishing Hair Mask, and I did actually talk about this in my Ipsy video because I got this in Ipsy. I got an 8-pack, but this is a really great hair mask. It's super hydrating and softening for my hair. Just one use, I noticed an immediate softness to my hair, and I've been really happy with how my natural hair texture has been lately from using these hair products, these hair masks. I think my hair is way less frizzy and it's growing really fast. My hair has gotten so long. This right now is not my natural hair. I did curl it, but you get an idea of how long it's gotten. I mean, you can't even get an idea because it doesn't even all fit on camera. Like, it's really long, and I got a haircut not too long ago, so I'm really happy with my hair these days. But there we have it. Those are all of my empties. Lots of skincare, a few makeup, some hair care, body care, cleaning stuff. Lots of different products here. But if you've tried any of these, I would definitely like to know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.